The number one mistake service-based businesses make when it comes to lead generation is they are buying leads that will never convert into paying clients or customers. And the same leads are being sent to the same businesses. They are not exclusive to you. So maybe this is you and you've experienced one of the following. You've called the leads that you've paid for, but nobody's answering or picking up. Or maybe they're just simply putting the phone down on you. Or maybe you've called the leads and they said they've never made the inquiry, or another company's already spoken to the same lead 2 minutes before. So you have zero chance of converting them into a paying client or a customer. And what's more frustrating is you've spent a ton of money on expensive lead generation agencies, LinkedIn ads, any other lead generation platform. But do you know what? It's just not working. And do you know why I know all this? Because I have been in the same situation as you. I have spent a whopping $30,000 buying crappy leads, and it made me feel sick to the stomach. I was left frustrated. And on top of that, my business nearly went bankrupt, not once, not twice, but 3 times, all because I was buying crappy leads that just did not work. It took a lot of tears, money, heartbreak, and real determination to find a way how I could generate my own high quality inbound leads that were just my leads and nobody else's. And I have. I've got a simple method of generating my own leads from people that actually want to speak to me. And I'm converting these leads into paying customers and clients. And it's now finally making my business explode. So if you're sick and tired and frustrated of having crappy leads and you finally want high quality inbound leads for your business, then I want to share with you the exact step-by-step method that I've been using for my business. I've put together a completely free online training that I would love to give you access to. All you need to do is click on the link or the button around this video, go to the page, register, and I think you're going to be blown away by this content so you can finally stop buying crappy leads. Go and register, and I'll see you on the next page.